Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn to create a date picker calendar. TK Calendar is a Python module that provides the calendar and date entry wizards for Tkinter. To install TK Calendar, we have to run pip3 install TK Calendar. Installation is going on. You can see it is TKCALENDAR. It will take several seconds to install this. We can use this calendar to select whatever date we want. Suppose we are making a project for employee management system, then for each employee the date of birth will be different and they can select their date of birth by using this calendar. Now installation is done. We will use TK Calendar. For this we have to write, to create a button we should write the name of the button is equal to button within bracket where we want to put the button. It is, in our case, it is root. Text is equal to get selected date and command is select date. Now we have to pack this button in the screen. For that we have to write button1 dot pack. The date entry wizard is similar to a combo box, but the drop down is not a list but a calendar from which we can select a date. Now our button is created. We will pack this button on our main window. We will create a label also in which whatever date is selected by the user will be shown to the user. Initially, it will not have any text. After the date is selected by the user, we will configure the text of the label. To create a label, L1 is equal to label within bracket root comma text. As you can see, we have not written any text for this label. As we have discussed in our previous videos, we can have some external vertical padding and horizontal padding. We need some external padding for both our wizards, label and button. For that we have to define pad y. Our two wizards are packed in our main window. Now we will write the definition of command select date. Here we will configure the text of our label. We can use config method to update the property of the wizard at any time, whether that be updating the text of a label or a button or something else, by using config function. To configure the text of label 1, we have to write l1.config text is equal to that date selected. We'll use dot get date method, but first of all we have to create the calendar, then we can call this get date method. Cal is equal to calendar within bracket. We want to keep this calendar in root window. Within bracket we should write root comma select mode. Actually, select mode have two options, none and day. Whether the user can change the selected day with a mouse click or not is decided by this select mode option. If select mode is day, it will return a string corresponding the selected date, else it will return an empty string. We want to have a default year, month and day. Here the year is 2021, month is March and day is 7. We have to pack this calendar wizard in our main window. For that we have to write cal.pack and pad y to give some vertical spacing. Now we can use getDate method, which will return the selected date by the user. Our button, label and calendar wizard is ready. Now we can execute the program to check how it will work. You can see the calendar. We can select any date, month and year. If we want to change the date, we can make changes. Whatever date is selected by you will be visible in the label. If you will change the date, the data in the label will also change. Whenever we are doing any project, we are dealing with dates. That can be date of birth of a person or date of order, date of birth of a student, joining date of an employee. It can be any type of date. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.